Ever wonder how actors in adult films manage to stay so confident and, let's be honest, impressive on screen? Turns out they've got a secret weapon that most people have never heard of: the salt trick. I was skeptical at first when I heard about it, but my wife decided to give it a try, and let me tell you the results left her absolutely amazed. She couldn't stop talking about how much of a difference it made, not just in how she felt, but in her confidence and energy levels too. The salt trick is a natural, simple method that works by boosting blood flow and stamina, giving noticeable results without the need for pills or anything synthetic. It's quick, easy, and uses common household ingredients, and the best part, the effects kick in almost instantly after just one try. She was blown away. Her confidence skyrocketed, and she felt like a completely new person, honestly. It's no surprise this trick has been a closely guarded secret among professionals for so long. It really works. Now you can learn this incredible method too. I convinced her to share the trick because it's just too good to keep hidden. If you're ready to experience these life-changing results, just click the first link in the description to see how it works. But let's be honest, this method is complicated to get right. That's why they developed Nitrox Pro, a simple, powerful solution to boost blood flow and restore your confidence effortlessly. Stocks are running low, so don't wait. Click the link now and secure yours before it's too late.